Everything you've been told about eating before bed is wrong. Doctors say never eat before sleep. But here's what they didn't tell you. Your brain does its most important repair work exactly while you sleep. And one food, eaten right before bed, can boost your memory overnight. Stick around because number 5 will shock you. Everything you've been told about eating before bed is wrong. For years, doctors, influencers, and diet gurus have hammered one message into your skull: never eat before sleep. It causes weight gain. It ruins your metabolism. It gives you nightmares. And for years, you've probably believed them. Forced yourself to bed hungry, tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling while your stomach growls louder than your alarm clock. But here's what nobody bothered to tell you: your brain doesn't stop working when you close your eyes. In fact, some of the most important repair work your brain will do all day happens in those exact hours you've been told to avoid food completely. And what you put into your body right before that window can either supercharge that repair process or leave your brain running on empty, trying to rebuild itself with nothing to work with. Stick with me because by the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the exact food, the one most people completely overlook, that neuroscientists are now calling the single most powerful nighttime memory booster you can eat. But we need to build up to it because if you skip the foundation, you won't understand why it works. Let's start with the pain point because I know exactly what's going on in your life right now. You're forgetting things, small things, where you put your keys, a name you just heard 2 minutes ago, why you walked into a room. It's frustrating. It's a little scary. And it makes you feel like you're losing your edge. Maybe you've chalked it up to stress or aging or just being busy. And sure, those play a role. But what if I told you the missing piece isn't more caffeine, more sleep apps, or more brain training games? What if the missing piece is sitting in your kitchen right now, completely ignored? Because everyone's been focused on what to eat in the morning, and nobody's talking about what to eat right before you shut your eyes. Here's the science behind why this matters so much. While you sleep, your brain goes through a process called synaptic consolidation. Basically, your brain takes everything you learned and experienced that day and decides what to keep and what to throw away. This is when short-term memories get converted into long-term ones. This is when your brain literally cleans out toxic waste products through something called the glymphatic system, kind of like a nightly power wash for your neurons. But here's the catch. This entire process requires fuel, specific nutrients, specific compounds. And if your last meal was garbage or if you went to bed on an empty stomach, your brain is trying to run a 5-star repair operation with an empty toolbox. Now consider this. Researchers have started looking specifically at what's called chrononutrition, the idea that timing your food intake with your body's internal clock can dramatically change how effectively your body and brain function. And what they're finding is fascinating. Certain foods eaten in a small window before bed don't just fail to harm you like the old myths claimed. They actually amplify the very processes your brain relies on to repair and strengthen memory overnight. This isn't about eating a large meal. This isn't about a midnight feast. We're talking about small, targeted, intentional choices. And when you get them right, people report waking up sharper, clearer, and noticeably better at recalling information the next day. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the 5 foods that are quietly transforming bedtime from a memory liability into a memory advantage. The first one might surprise you: tart cherries, specifically tart cherry juice or a small handful of tart cherries. Here's why this matters. Tart cherries are one of the only natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. But it's not just about falling asleep faster. Melatonin also acts as a powerful antioxidant inside the brain, helping to reduce oxidative stress on neurons while you sleep. Less oxidative stress means less cellular damage, which means your brain has more energy and more resources to dedicate toward memory consolidation instead of just cleanup duty. People who consistently include tart cherries in their evening routine often report deeper, more restorative sleep, and deeper sleep directly correlates with stronger next day recall. It sounds almost too simple, but that's exactly the point. The best solutions rarely need to be complicated. Now, here's where it gets interesting because the second food on this list works through a completely different mechanism: walnuts. And no, this isn't just because they're shaped like tiny brains, although that's a fun coincidence. Walnuts are packed with alpha linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that your brain uses to build and repair cell membranes. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and the quality of that fat directly impacts how efficiently your neurons communicate with each other. A small handful of walnuts before bed gives your brain raw materials to work with overnight, right when it's doing the heaviest repair work. Some studies have even linked regular walnut consumption to improved cognitive performance and memory retention over time. But the real magic happens when you pair them with something else. And that's a hint you'll want to remember for later. Let's move to food number 3, and this one is going to challenge what you think you know about carbohydrates. A small portion of oats. I know, carbs before bed sounds like exactly what every diet plan has warned you against. But hear me out, because context changes everything. A small serving of oats causes a gentle, gradual rise in blood sugar, which triggers a release of insulin. That insulin helps shuttle an amino acid called tryptophan into your brain more efficiently. Tryptophan is the precursor to serotonin, and serotonin eventually converts into melatonin. So you're not just eating oats for fiber, you're eating them to unlock a biochemical pathway that leads directly to better sleep quality. And better sleep quality is the number one non negotiable factor for memory consolidation. Without deep, uninterrupted sleep, none of the other foods on this list will matter nearly as much. This is the part most people miss entirely. They focus on the individual food instead of the system it feeds into. Food number 4 takes us into territory most people have never even considered: kiwi. Yes, the fuzzy little fruit sitting in your fridge that you probably only eat because someone told you it's healthy. Kiwi is loaded with both serotonin precursors and antioxidants, specifically vitamin C and vitamin E, which help protect brain cells from the kind of inflammation that interferes with memory formation. There was actually a notable sleep study where participants who ate 2 kiwis an hour before bed for 4 weeks showed significant improvements in both how quickly they fell asleep and how long they stayed asleep. And remember what we talked about earlier: sleep duration and quality are directly tied to how much memory consolidation your brain can actually perform. So, kiwi isn't just a random fruit on this list, it's a functional tool that improves the environment your brain needs to do its most important overnight work. Now, before we get to food number 5, the one I promised you at the very beginning, the one most people completely overlook, I want you to notice a pattern here. Every single food so far works by targeting one of two things. Either it improves the depth and quality of your sleep, or it provides raw nutritional building blocks for brain repair. And that's exactly why the final food on this list is so powerful. It does both at the same time. It's rare to find a single food that hits both pathways simultaneously. And that's exactly why researchers have started paying so much attention to it. Are you ready? The 5th food is pumpkin seeds. Just a small handful, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons, eaten about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Here's why this one food does more heavy lifting than any other on this list. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, and magnesium is essential for something called GABA production. GABA is your brain's primary calming neurotransmitter. It's what allows your nervous system to actually power down at night. Instead of staying stuck in that wired, overstimulated state so many of us live in from staring at screens all day. Without enough magnesium, your brain struggles to reach the deep sleep stages where memory consolidation happens most intensely. But pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They're also loaded with zinc, and zinc plays a critical role in synaptic plasticity, which is essentially your brain's ability to form new connections and strengthen existing ones. This is the literal biological mechanism behind learning and memory. On top of that, pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, just like the oats we talked about earlier, feeding directly into that serotonin and melatonin pathway. So, in one small handful of seeds, you're hitting deep sleep support, memory consolidation support, and neurotransmitter production all at once. This is why some sleep and nutrition specialists have started calling pumpkin seeds one of the most underrated brain foods available, because nobody markets them the way they market fish oil or blueberries. Yet the research behind their mechanisms is remarkably strong. And remember that hint I gave you earlier about walnuts? Here's the payoff. When you combine a small handful of walnuts with pumpkin seeds in the same evening snack, you're pairing omega-3 fatty acids for cell membrane repair with magnesium and zinc for neurotransmitter production and synaptic strengthening. You're essentially building a complete overnight brain repair kit using two simple, inexpensive whole foods you can find in any grocery store. Now, I want to be clear about something because this is where a lot of people get it wrong. This isn't about eating a large snack right before you lie down. Timing matters. You want to eat these foods roughly 30 to 60 minutes before bed in small portions. We're talking a small handful of seeds or nuts, a few tart cherries, or a small glass of tart cherry juice, a small bowl of oats if you choose to include them, or a couple of kiwis. This isn't a meal. It's a targeted, intentional signal you're sending to your brain and body, telling them it's time to shift into repair mode. And here's the deeper truth most people never stop to consider. Your memory isn't failing because you're getting older or because you're inherently forgetful. In most cases, it's failing because you've been starving your brain of the exact raw materials it needs right at the exact moment it needs them most. You've been told to avoid food before bed for so long that you never gave your brain the chance to use nighttime the way it's biologically designed to be used. Every single night, your brain is offering you a window, a golden opportunity to consolidate what you learned, to clear out cellular waste, to strengthen the neural pathways tied to your most important memories. And for years, you've been closing that window by either overeating junk food late at night or starving yourself completely out of fear. The five foods we covered today, tart cherries, walnuts, oats, kiwi, and pumpkin seeds, aren't magic. They're not a miracle cure, but they are tools, simple, accessible, scientifically supported tools that work with your brain's natural rhythm instead of against it. Start small. Pick just one or two of these tonight. Notice how you feel tomorrow morning. Notice whether your recall feels a little sharper, whether you wake up a little clearer. Small, consistent changes compound over time, and your brain is more responsive to nutrition than most people ever give it credit for. If this video shifted the way you think about nighttime eating, if it gave you even one new tool to protect and strengthen your memory, do me a favor and hit that like button right now because it genuinely helps this information reach more people who need to hear it. And if you want more deep dives like this one, breaking down the science behind everyday habits that quietly shape your brain health, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because there's a lot more coming and you won't want to miss it. Your brain works hard for you every single day. Tonight, for the first time, maybe you can finally start working just as hard for it.